this video, we will show you how to hide update and shutdown button and update and restart button in the power options on Windows 11. Sometimes it's annoying to see there is this button because we already disable the automatic update using external application. Now we need to hide these two buttons. And please press Windows plus R button on your keyboard, then type gpedit.msc. Okay, and then click OK, and you can go to administrative templates, then go to Windows components, scroll down in here, you will see Windows update in here. Okay, then you can select legacy policies, and this is the settings to hide this update button on the power options. Okay, double click in here and then select enable in here, and you can click apply. And you can try to restart the PC and see the effect. Now after you restart the Windows, or if you still see this button but don't see in here, you can open again Windows plus R button on the gpedit.msi. You can select again administrative templates, choose Windows component. On Windows update, select legacy policy, and then in the do not adjust default option to install update. Okay, then you can select enable this. Let's click apply and then click OK. Okay, now let's try to see and restart again. Now after restart again, you will then see again in the update option in here. Hope this video helpful for you.